In this video, I'm going to show you how to update a label using Trello in N8n. This is a simple workflow step, but it can save you a lot of time when you want to automate label changes in Trello without doing everything manually. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick automation tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open the workflow you want inside N8n. This is the workflow where you want to add or update your Trello action. Once you're inside the editor, look at the Nodes panel and choose Trello. You can either search for it or scroll until you find it. After selecting Trello, choose the Update a Label option. This is the action that lets you edit an existing label in your Trello board. Next, choose the credential you want to use. This connects N8n to your Trello account and gives the workflow permission to make the update. If you already have credentials saved, just select the correct one from the list. If not, you'll need to create an authorized one first. After that, configure what you want to update. Set the label details you want to change and make sure the values match the label you're targeting in Trello. Take a moment to double check everything so the workflow updates the right label with the right information. Once the node is configured, you can save your workflow and run a test if needed to confirm that the label update works correctly. And that's it. You've now updated a label using Trello in N8n. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more N8n automation tips and step-by-step tutorials.